Hi Facebook, hi YouTube. How is everybody doing on this wonderful Monday? I hope y'all are doing really well. I'm just getting my computer set up so I can see all of your comments. If you're on Facebook, if you're on YouTube, I'm sorry I can't see your comments right now, but if you message me, I will get back to you. So I am Kimberly from San Diego, California. You can also call me KSN Keto, and we are making one of my favorite salty, crispy snacks. Since going keto, like I can't have chips, I can't have all of the crazy snacks that we used to have in the house. So I'm making these. I absolutely love the everything seasoning for bagels, so that's what we're making with this tonight. If you are catching this live and you see that little red live box up at the top, if you will drop me a 1 or say hi or hello, I love talking to you guys. And if you are catching the replay, I am so sorry that I missed you. You can drop hashtag replay for me or I miss you, and let me know where you're coming in from, because I love knowing how far my reach is. And also, y'all, my husband's shooing me back. Also make sure that your settings are dialed in right. So tap my face, the 3 dots in the right hand corner. Halfway down is follow, see first, and turn on live notifications. Hi Chris, hi Nancy, how are you guys doing tonight? So I am doing this, I'm not going to do the full recipe, only because I don't have enough room in my oven to do the full recipe. So I'm making small batches. And also because people in the house aren't feeling well, so I don't want to make a whole lot. Although this recipe, you can store it in an airtight container on your countertop, or you can put it in the refrigerator. So I am going to start with 1/3 of a cup of shredded cheddar cheese.
Looks like it would be a good candidate for a vacuum seal too.
Yeah, you can vacuum seal it as well. So it stays good for about a week if it's on the counter, just because you are crisping it up. And then we're also going to do 1/3 of a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. So I am using the Costco brand because it's what we have. I love Costco. And like I said, I cut this recipe down by 1/3. You can make as much or as little as you need for you and your family. This really is one of those recipes that is great. I know some of you are single. I know some of you have large families. So you can really play around with it and make it your own. So I would love to know how everybody's Monday has been. We've had a very busy Monday with going and getting tested and everything. Y'all can ask questions if you feel like it. So I'm going to add the everything seasoning for bagels, but the bagel. And really this part is just however much you like. So as much or as little seasoning as you like. And this is my favorite part of this because you can customize this. Maybe you don't like the everything seasoning. Use what seasoning you like. You want pink Himalayan salt and some cracked black pepper? Go for it. You want ranch dressing? You can put ranch powder in this. So I don't know what everybody's tastes are like, but I love everything bagels. I do need to do another. I need to do one where I show you guys how to make a bagel. Oh, that's nice, Nancy. It got a little too cold here for me today, but I'm in San Diego. It's not very cold. At least not for everybody else. Okay. So all I did was I stirred it all up to mix it. And then I am going to grab my baking sheet. Y'all, like I said, this is a super quick recipe. And it's great if you are going to be like on the go. Can put these in a little baggie and carry them with you. Hi, Holly. I am doing well right now. How are you? We are making one of my favorite cheese crisps. These are a great substitute for some crackers or for some chips. You can dip these into salsa too. That's really good. You have snow there? Mm-mm. More power to you, Holly. I don't think we want to move anywhere where there's snow, do we, honey?
I don't mind snow.
Okay.
But I don't really like being snowed in. When I lived in Tennessee, we would lose power for 2 weeks at a shot.
Yeah. My husband grew up in Tennessee also. He's used to like the power outages that come with snow. I grew up here in California. We had snow very rarely. And especially now, I get so cold so fast. I'm kind of scared to like live somewhere where there would be snow.
Hazelwood.
I would be the person that's in the long johns and then leggings and then sweats and then like pullovers and sweatshirts and
I'm sipping a pumpkin spice latte to stay warm.
My husband is making fun of my pumpkin spice latte fixation. I'm telling you, y'all. He just doesn't know it's coming.
Oh, I know it's coming.
He's
taking videos of what's coming, remember?
He's going to get some pumpkin treats this year. He just doesn't realize it a whole lot yet. He's going to be eating them.
Are you trying to get me to eat the dog treats again? I told you that was just
No.
a one-time taste test.
Nope. I'm gonna make some good pumpkin things. Y'all, pumpkin for me lasts through Thanksgiving until like Christmas time. So
there is no good pumpkin thing.
There's a ton of good pumpkin things. What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the fact there is no good pumpkin thing.
Holly says her dog loves the snow and he bites and eats at it. That's so cute. My dog would probably love the snow. She's, that's the breed that, they're both Huskies, so they're both cold weather dogs, so. Okay. So, I just literally picked them up and put them like little haystacks on the baking sheet. I have this slip mat under it, the silicone mat, that will prevent it from sticking. If you don't have a silicone mat, make sure you use parchment paper. So I'm going to put this in the oven. And it's going to go in the oven at 400 degrees. Ooh,
All that bothered
for 6 minutes.
All that bothered set up the overhead cam and I didn't turn it on.
Oh, my husband forgot to turn on the camera, y'all.
The
overhead camera.
The angle you guys get today. Sorry.
Alexa, set timer for 6 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 6 minutes, please.
6 minutes.
Y'all, apparently she needed to hear the word please. I didn't realize that Alexa needed to hear the word please.
She
Okay.
An attitude.
She's gotten so used to me saying please all the time. Yes, Holly, I love pumpkin too. It is one of my favorite things. Oh, what? Oh.
It like slipped away, so I'm not sure how the other thing is.
Oh, okay. So the mic slipped down. So if y'all are on my Facebook, which you are, because you're watching this, you know that I posted a TikTok because I made some before, just so that you guys could see what the end result looks like. So you can actually cook these a little bit longer if you like. 6 minutes. These are not like completely 100% crisp, but I also didn't want to burn them because I have a tendency to leave it in the oven for just a minute or two too long if I turn away. So, and I am trying to do my TikTok too. So, yeah. So if you guys want this recipe, drop the word recipe down below for me. And if you want into our keto community, if you're not already there, drop the word group down for me. Honey, are you going to come over here and taste these?
You didn't tell me it was time yet.
Holly, my TikTok is at KSN Keto. It's the same thing. I'm trying to keep the same thing for all of my social media accounts. So, really? You could have, can you, okay. That's my husband, y'all.
It is very tasty, dear.
Okay. And the dog is going crazy because there's somebody at the door. Anyways, so these are what they come out looking like. It's amazing. You can let them go a little bit longer if you like. I was afraid that if I let it go any longer, I would burn them. I'll probably let these go a little bit longer. I'll just be watching them really closely. So, if you like this video, please feel free to share it out. I love talking to you guys. And you guys probably found me because somebody shared my page or my videos out to you guys, whether it's on your page or you're tagging your friends or your family in it, or if you're sharing it out to groups. What is it, honey? Oh, okay. I don't know.
Random dog.
Okay. Anyways, y'all, I hope that you have a great and wonderful Monday. I have something new for you guys tomorrow because we ordered a new chaffle maker because the little one doesn't work for my family, y'all. They have decided that they love chaffles. And so every time we have chaffles, I'm sitting here for like a half hour to an hour. So my husband decided to go ahead and get me a new maker. So, and it came in earlier today.
So your next time gets to be a review of the thing.
Yes, so we are going to make chaffles tomorrow so that we can open it up. But I had already had these wonderful cheese crisps planned out for you guys. So, what?
Spinning around, I just noticed this is the back.
Yes, but our address is on the other side.
Okay.
So, let me pull off the label.
That's odd. I don't know why they put another copy inside of that, because it showed up in one of the Prime Amazon boxes, right?
No, it did not show up in a Prime Amazon box.
They just shipped it in that.
When it's a thing like this, they don't put it in an Amazon box. They just stick it in the box and put a label on it. Everybody knows what you're getting. Okay, so here it is. So I am excited to try this out tomorrow and share with you how much we like it. And if you have a big family, this might be the one for you. It also has plates to do griddle work with, which is awesome because my husband gave me an amazing idea last night for some calzones. So, depending on how our tests come back and what I can get from the grocery store delivered to my house, we might be making some calzones on Friday. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday night. Message me if you want to see anything in particular. And if you're not already my friend request me. And if you don't already follow me, feel free to follow me. And if you're on YouTube, subscribe and like. Okay, love y'all. Have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay.